Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be explaining how new members can view older messages in a WhatsApp group and what options are currently available. Let's get started. As of now, WhatsApp does not allow new participants to automatically see messages that were sent before they joined a group. New members can only view messages from the moment they enter, and there's no official feature that enables full chat history visibility for them. Any claims suggesting otherwise are inaccurate. However, there are a few practical workarounds you can use. Group admins or members who have access can export the chat history from the group info section and share that file with new members. Another option is to manually forward important previous messages to them. Admins can also pin key messages so that essential information is easy to find and not missed by late joiners. While these solutions require manual effort, they are effective in keeping everyone informed until WhatsApp potentially introduces an official feature in future updates. That's pretty much everything you need to know about allowing new members to see older messages in WhatsApp. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.